Hey guys, it's Revolver here, and I just wanted to say I won something really good and sort of OP. So I won this fan's revolver by winning a duel, and I got one of those fighter chests, and I opened it and I thought I wasn't going to earn anything, but I actually did. So I won the fan's revolver, and now I'm just going to test it out to see how it is. Now, I advise you play duels more often because you're going to have a better chance of this time when last time wasn't as good. So I've won the fan's revolver, and I'm going to go against someone right now. Okay, I just got a bomb kill, that's unfair, so I'm going to try to get him with the fan's revolver. Oh, and as I can see, I got a kill with a headshot, so I do have to upgrade it a bit more because it's the mobility is pretty bad, but the capability is decent, and the damage is actually really good. And he rage quitted, so yeah, that was the review. And I think I'm gonna open up a chest, and then that'll be it.